What's a reaction mechanism? It's just a series of steps of molecular events, so things happening at the molecular level that will explain how your reactant molecules are converted into product molecules. Okay? And like I said, it has to be consistent with the experimentally observed rate law. So we can, in other words, we can experimentally obtain evidence to support our mechanism, okay, but we cannot prove a mechanism, okay. All it takes is one experimental information that's inconsistent with what mechanism we're proposing, and we have to throw it out or modify it. So it's easy. You can disprove a mechanism, but what you do is you collect a whole bunch of experimental observation, and so come up with a mechanism that's consistent with a lot of experimental observation that will give you a lot of confidence in your proposed mechanism. Each step in your mechanism, each molecular event is called an elementary reaction or an elementary step. And most reactions, typically reactions are multi-step or complex reactions. They actually involve more than one elementary reaction, more than one molecular event. Okay? So, true or false? Let's look at this clicker question here. Which of this is true about reaction mechanisms and experimental data? A, experimental data can disprove a proposed mechanism. B, experimental data can prove a proposed mechanism. Or C, neither. Right? So what did we say about mechanisms? You can never prove them, right? But it takes one piece of information that's inconsistent with your mechanism to disprove it. Very good. Consider the reaction. H2 plus I2 gas gives you 2HI gas. True or false? Without any experimental data, we can say for sure that the reaction is elementary. The answer is false. What did I just say about reaction mechanisms? It has to be an educated guess, right, about what's going on. You have to base it on some kind of information. Regardless of how simple a reaction looks, you cannot say right away that you're dealing with an elementary reaction. Okay. In fact, this particular reaction is not a one-step reaction. Most reactions are typically multi-step. So several things could happen before this transformation can actually occur. Okay, so this is false. Right. The only way to really know, you really have no way to know, there's no way for you to know for sure. Okay, here's the thing that makes this really false. You cannot for sure say that a reaction is elementary. You can only propose that it's elementary. So you can say, based on all of this experimental observation, I would propose that this is what happened, this step happened, and then this step happened, and then this step happened. So you can propose elementary reactions, but you cannot for sure say that just given a reaction that is an elementary reaction. Okay?